Hi, my name is Balázs Holzer from Budapest, Hungary, and welcome to my course on quantitative finance in Python. So first of all, let me tell a few words about myself. I'm from Budapest, Hungary, as I said earlier. I'm qualified as a physicist, and later on I decided to get a master's degree in applied mathematics. I'm working as a software engineer at a multinational company, and my main interests are algorithms, data structures, and quantitative finance. So what you are going to get from this course? First of all, we are going to talk about the fundamental basics of stock markets. So what is the present value and the future value of money? We are going to talk about stocks, commodities, currencies, short and long positions, and so on. Then we are going to talk about bonds, yields, yield to maturity, interest rates, Macaulay duration, risks, and so on. So we are going to talk about the theory of bonds and of course the concrete implementation. Then the next topic is modern portfolio theory or Markowitz model. So we are going to talk about how to reduce risk by holding multiple stocks in a given portfolio. So we are going to find the most optimal portfolio of stocks. Then we are going to talk about the famous capital asset pricing model as far as the theory and the implementation is concerned. Then we are going to talk about derivatives, random behavior in finance, such as Wiener processes, Brownian motions, Ito's lemma, stochastic calculus, and so on. Finally, we are going to focus on one of the most important topics in quantitative finance, the so-called Black-Scholes model. So we are going to talk about dynamic delta hedging, no arbitrage principle. We are going to talk about how to use Ito's lemma and stochastic differential equations in order to eliminate risk itself. And finally, we are going to talk about value at risk and long-term investing. What's crucial that we are going to use Python as a programming language, and this is why I have created a Python programming crash course, as you can see. So you can learn about the basics of Python programming, such as strings, booleans, logical operators, loops, and nested loops. Then you can learn about functions, the basic data structures in Python, such as lists, such as tuples, such as dictionaries. Then you can learn about the object-oriented programming related topics, and finally you can learn about the #1 library of Python, because we are going to use NumPy heavily during the implementation of the financial models. So these are the topics we are going to consider on a one-by-one basis. Thanks for joining my course. Let's get started.